Who needs some motivating today? Let's go. The way you see yourself is the way you will be. You might as well make that person someone who's living their dreams. And this is from the great Oprah Winfrey. You will be successful and happy. And when you do, you will be too much for some people. Those aren't your people. Nah, they're not. Everyone wants to be popular, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, a million likes means nothing if you do not like yourself. So seek respect, not attention, because respect lasts longer. Whatever you do, you must be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get to the best. Patience is a virtue. You know, people are always talking, and they will talk behind your back, but you shouldn't let that bother you. They are behind for a reason. You know, in life, some people will treat you bad, but how people treat you is their karma. How you react is yours. Don't you ever feel bad for making a decision about your own life that upsets other people. You are not responsible for their happiness. You are responsible for your own happiness. Anyone who wants you to live in misery for their happiness should not be in your life to begin with. Okay? So Oprah Winfrey says, the way you see yourself is the way you will be. You might as well make that person someone who's living their dreams. How others see you is not important. How you see yourself is everything. You have to believe that. Okay. Thoughts become things. You get what you focus on, so focus on the positive. You should never give up on what you're doing, because when things stop being easy, then you know you're on the right path. So carry on. The path to success is not straight unless you were born with really rich and successful family. But just remember, when you fail, that's not a time to give up, because you never lose. You either win or you learn. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you in the next video.